What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can reset the password of your Chase Bank's online banking account. And with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and let's move forward. So the first step, you want to search for Chase Bank login and click on versus Chase Bank over here. It'll take you to this page. Over here, click on versus sign in over here. And once you do that, it's going to take you to its login page. And once you're in this page, click on versus forgot username/password. And it will bring you to this page. Over here, fill up this form like entering your social security number and your account or your card application number. And click on next and it's going to ask you some more information. And after it verifies this account belongs to you, it's going to take you to the passport reset page where you guys can enter your new passport and it's done. So hope you guys were able to understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then everybody.